Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, after Chelsea winning the Club World Cup, it was rumors that whether Chelsea is automatically qualified to play the next competition that will come on 2029. It was rumors, yes. Now, FIFA is considering to see whether they will give Chelsea a spot after winning this year 2025 Club World Cup, whether they will give Chelsea automatical spot to qualify for it 2029 in order to defend the title. Yes, now FIFA is weighing up or considering to give Chelsea that spot. This is the information, guys. FIFA are considering giving Chelsea an automatic spot for the 2029 Club World Cup to defend their 2025 title. And as a Chelsea fan, guys, let me hear from you, your opinion and your thought on this. Should FIFA give Chelsea automatic spot because Chelsea won it this year? Because this competition, I can tell you that in fact nobody took it serious at the beginning until Chelsea we moved to the quarter-final, we moved to the semi-final. There, Chelsea fans, yes, we gave this competition a chance. And now the competition, the rumors, yes, Chelsea fans, the noise around the competition about our team, yes, it gave this competition name. It gave this competition attention. So for me, I even believe that FIFA need us, not we need FIFA. No, Chelsea. FIFA need Chelsea, not Chelsea need FIFA. So FIFA even giving Chelsea automatic spot, it is going to help them. Won't come to marketing. I'm telling you, if Chelsea don't qualify for the quarter-final or semi-final to some extent reaching the final, you see the rumors about this FIFA World Cup. By now, it will have died off. It will have died off, I'm telling you, but because of Chelsea. So for me, I see this is the reason why FIFA must give Chelsea a spot. FIFA need Chelsea. FIFA need attention for marketing to make their money. And Chelsea, we can give them that. And another thing that we deserve, for me, I believe we deserve the spot for 2029 is that, see, this competition, this is the first time of this competition, newly branded Club World Cup competition. The first time it has ever happened. Even the next one to come, they will change it to Intercontinental Trophy, not more FIFA Club World Cup. So for me, I believe that, see guys, they have to include Chelsea because of the records that we set. Because we being the first club to win it. Yes, Chelsea being the first club to win the newly, yes, tournament, Club World Cup tournament. And it wasn't easy. Almost all the European giants, they were there. Real Madrid were there. Man City were there. Even Bayern Munich and co. Everybody was there. And it was all over the world. All continent. Africa, Asia. Yes. Al Hilal, who booted Man City out. Yes. So many import. Even Messi, Inter Miami was there. So for me, I think because of the good work we have done at the Club World Cup, yes, nobody saw Chelsea winning this trophy. Nobody saw it. For me, my prediction was semi-final or final. Because I was looking at the squad at that time. We were sending there. Yes, we were not having a lot of attackers until we signed João Pedro on the way. Even some Chelsea fans, we didn't believe we can win this trophy. But at the end, we won it. So because of the good work done, because of the surprise Chelsea made show to the world, I think we deserve to be in the next competition. I'm telling you, 2029, we must get a spot. Yes. So guys, FIFA is weighing up, considering to see if they will give Chelsea a spot for the next Intercontinental Cup to come 2029. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Should FIFA give us the spot? Do Chelsea deserve that spot? And let's come to another important one from Chelsea come recently. But before I go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans and Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to the squad numbers. Yes, Chelsea player squad numbers has been revealed for next season. And these are the squad numbers. You will see it on the screen, guys. The number 1 will be Robert Sanchez. My Robert Sanchez. That means that Chelsea is no more selling him. Maybe Chelsea can still go back and sign a goalkeeper. But even if Chelsea sign a goalkeeper, he may be a second goalkeeper. So the number 1 goalkeeper will be Robert Sanchez. Number 3, Cucurella will continue to wear his number 3. Tosin Adarabio, number 4. Bernard Badiashile, number 5. Colwill, number 6. Pedro Neto, number 7. Enzo Fernandez, number 8. Liam Delap will wear the number 9. Yes, the man who is going to bring an end to the number 9 case in Chelsea. Liam Delap. Cole Palmer will wear the number 10. Jamie Gittins will wear the number 11. Philip Georgeson will wear the number 12. Daro Esuko, yes, the new signing, will wear the number 14. Our Nicola Jackson, if it happened that he doesn't leave, will wear the number 15. Andre Santos will wear the number 17 shirt. Christopher Nkunku will wear the number 18 shirt if he stay. Jao Pedro, the man himself, the striker, will wear the number 20 shirt. Jarao Heto, number 21. Choloba Trova Choloba will wear the number 23. And Rhys James will continue his number 24. Moses Casado, number 25. Malo Gusto, yes, the man who pocketed Mendes, will wear the number 27 shirt. And Wesley Fofana, he has returned from injury, will wear the number 29 shirt. Aaron Ansimeno, 30. Troy George, 32. If he doesn't leave. Jose Achampon, 34. Estival, 41. Gabriel Solonia, 44. Romeo Lavia, 45. So guys, these are the squad numbers for Chelsea players next season. Yes, these are the numbers they are going to wear. And we are welcoming them, especially the new signings, Heto and Esugo, Andre Santos, Gittins, yes, Liam Delap. Chelsea fans, we want to see good performance from them next season. We want to see, yes, quality, yes, performance. And even for that matter, a game is coming against by Leverkusen. Yes, a preseason game. We want to see them perform. We want to see what Heto can give to us as fans. Yes, his first game in Chelsea, the same as Estival. Yes, so that game is coming, I think, today as we are shooting this video, Friday. And let's come to another important transfer from Chelsea camp, guys. Liverpool has injured. Yes, so for that matter, Chelsea is weighing up to see, guys, if they will go back to the market to see if they can get a replacement for him. It's not official yet that Chelsea will sign a replacement for Liverpool, but they are still weighing up. They are still considering that, yes, from Chelsea board, to see whether they should go and bring a centre back to replace Liverpool, because information said that Colwill will be out. They didn't say he will be out for the rest of the season, but for some number of games. So for that matter, Chelsea is still considering to see whether they should go and find a replacement for Liverpool. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this. Should Chelsea go and find a replacement for Colwill? Because indeed, Colwill has now become important player for us, starting every game here and there. For me, I haven't seen that brought that injury during the first training session. And you know, overloaded games last season, he almost played every game, including this Club World Cup. So a little small thing happened to him, he can get injured. So for me, I think this even brought his injury. So indeed, Chelsea must weigh up and see whether we need a replacement for him or not. Because currently, we have Badiashile, we have Tozen, we have Choloba, and now Heto. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea go and sign a replacement for Liverpool? And Alejandro Garnacho transfer to Chelsea is advancing. From Fabrizio, understand, Alejandro Garnacho has agreed every detail of personal terms with Chelsea. Deal done on player side. He only went Chelsea as revealed here since July. Talks with Manchester United about fee will follow soon. Chelsea pursue both Garnacho and Xavi Simons as revealed. Yes. So for Garnacho, personal terms is not an issue. He want to join Chelsea. Yes, he accepted to join Chelsea. So many teams came for him, he refused. But he want to reunite with his teammate. Yes, national teammate Enzo Fernandez, the passer. Yes. So Ganacho coming to Chelsea is imminent, is closer. But the issue is the fee. United won 14 million. But Chelsea see Ganacho as 30 million player. Guys, United won 40 million for their player. And Chelsea believe that because recently United signed Sesko, yes, United don't have any other option rather than to reduce the fee. So for that matter, Chelsea want to pay 30 million for Alejandro Garnacho. So that is holding the deal now. But for the personal terms, as I said, it's not an issue. It's not a big problem. No. And the same as Xavi Simons. They are still discussing. Nothing stop. Xavi Simons also want to join Chelsea. Now everybody wants Chelsea. I'm telling you, everybody. See, even if we go to San, which player is the best player currently in the world? Cole Palmer is the best player. Okay, apart from Cole Palmer, even if Chelsea go, the man who refused Barcelona, Inaki Williams, today, he's coming to Chelsea. If Chelsea go to sign Yamal, today, he's coming. But we don't even need Yamal because I have my Cole Palmer, I have my Gittins, I have Mane too. What am I going to do with Yamal? No, I don't want Yamal. But I mean that everybody wants Chelsea. So Garnacho coming to Chelsea is eminent. Xavi Simon coming to Chelsea is eminent. For Xavi Simon, RB Leipzig want to find a replacement for him before he leaves. They are even talking to Elliot from Liverpool to see if they can sign him as a replacement. Initially, they came for Kenechukwu Emeka. It didn't happen. And they came back for George. It didn't happen. So, guys, RB Leipzig want a replacement and also a fee. Yes, they want 60 million for Xavi Simon. And Chelsea said, no. Xavi Simon just left with 2 years on his contract. So, we can't pay 60 million for him. So, Chelsea want to pay below 60 million for Xavi Simon. But RB Leipzig don't want to understand. They say, no, Chelsea, unless you bring the 60 million. So, that is why the deal is so complicated like that. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And as we are shooting this video, today is a match day. Ghana, it will come around 6 o'clock. Yes, PM. Yes, we are wishing Chelsea all the best. And we are wishing our players injury-free. Because this time around, that is the only thing that we should fear. Look at Liverpool. Just training. And he may be out for the rest of the season. I don't want to believe that Fofana is about to exchange his injuries with Liverpool. Because imagine Fofana is coming back, Colwill is going back. I don't know. No, it should not happen. So, guys, these are the latest information. As I said, Chelsea by Leverkusen, that game is coming. Chelsea fans, we want to see Sival first game. We want to see Gittins first game. Heto first game for Chelsea. And maybe some of our early signings, Liam Delap and co. And information even came that Christopher Nkunku and Nicola Jackson will not play this game because of their transfer situation. Chelsea want to sell them. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.